Water, water all around. Save every drop that can be found. Wasting water is not good. So you never should. Never let your taps run. Drain them off as sun. As you warden, don't waste time in the shower. Your harvest water should be used on a flower. Wash your car in the rain. So not as much water will be go down the drain. Use a little brick in the toilet where you flush so